Hey guys, welcome back to another Elena Jenkins DIY do-it-yourself video. And today we're going to be doing another painting video. So we're going to be painting this, like this chain thingy again. So we're going to get started now. This video is a part of a challenge hosted by Yvonne from Ginger Chick Rehab and Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy. Now let's get started.
Okay, so for this video we're gonna use this white canvas. Then we're gonna do some fold painting today with our pull chains, which as you've seen in a prior video we used this, so we just washed it. It's just a regular ceiling fans. You can get it at any hardware store. So we're gonna use this orange paint from Dollar Tree. Then I got some green ones, some white, and yellow,
Which I was shaking.
and brown. So this is gonna be our fall painting that we're gonna do for our fall decoration.
Because fall is coming.
Okay, so we pour some paint, as you can tell, on our chain.
And I washed the knife.
And he cleaned the knife, so this is how long as our chain is. So now we're gonna be
Pulling it.
pulling it and laying it on our canvas.
Here's our painting. Well, that was all for today. I hope you guys like our painting and our video. Thank you girls for an amazing challenge out there.
That was all for today. I hope you liked my new helper for this challenge. And as always, we had fun and our fall painting turned out pretty cute. Again, that was a part of Sunday Funday challenge. And if you like this video, there is a playlist in the description below where you can click and watch all the lovely people who are participated in a fun Sunday Funday challenge. And if you're one of my new people, please don't forget to leave me a comment so I can welcome you to the family. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Also, one more thing, my lovely son Jake has a channel as well, and if you would like to see what he has been up to and what he has been recorded, what is on your channel?
My washer video, my ceiling fan videos.
What is it called?
National Ceiling Fan Day.
The channel.
Yeah.
What's your channel?
Oh yeah, sorry, I'll tell you my channel. It's JAKE-OAJKINS, all capitalized, Jake Jenkins. That's what it is called.
All right. Well, if you like his video, don't forget to support him as well. But that is all from us.